Who eats what? Coral reef food chains. Table of contents. Chapter 1, Rainforests of the Sea. Chapter 2, the coral reef food chain. Chapter 3, food chain close-ups. Activities and tools, try this, glossary, index, and to learn more. Chapter 1, Rainforests of the Seas. Coral reefs are one of the planet's most diverse and beautiful biomes. They are found in warm, shallow ocean waters. Coral reefs make up less than 0.2% of the ocean floor, but nearly a third of the ocean's plants and animals live there. This is why they are called the rainforests of the sea. A coral reef begins with a single animal. A coral polyp sticks to a rock. It surrounds itself with a hard skeleton. Then it splits into many polyps. Each has its own skeleton. A colony forms. Over time, the skeletons of the colonies grow together. They connect to form a reef. It takes a long time for a reef to grow. It grows less than an inch, 2.5 centimeters, a year. Where are they? Coral reefs are found along the coasts of East Africa, South India, Australia, Florida, Brazil, and the Caribbean. Chapter 2, the Coral Reef Food Chain. All living things need energy. Reef plants get it from the sun. Animals on the reef eat plants and other animals. A food chain shows how energy moves from plants to animals. Each living link in the chain eats the one before it. Plant plankton and seagrass are producers. They are the first link in the coral reef food chain. These plants use the sun's energy to make their own food. Small fish and green sea turtles eat the plants. They are the next link in the chain. They are consumers. Did you know? The Great Barrier Reef is in Australia. It is the largest reef in the world. You can see it from outer space. Large fish, octopuses, and sharks eat consumers. They are predators. The next link in the chain. Sharks are the top predator. They eat smaller predators. Did you know? A reef gives animals cover. It helps them hide from predators. When an animal dies, decomposers such as bacteria break down its body. They change the dead matter into nutrients. The nutrients return to the sea floor. Take a look. One coral reef food chain might look something like this. Seagrass is a producer. Fish is a consumer. An octopus is a predator. Bacteria is a decomposer. Chapter 3, Food Chain Close-Ups. Let's look at a simple food chain. Seagrass grows on the reef. A sea turtle eats the seagrass. A shark eats the sea turtle. When the shark dies, bacteria break down its body. Let's take a look at another food chain. Number 1. Plant plankton grows near the reef. Number 2. A sea sponge eats the plankton. Number 3. A fish eats the sponge. Number 4. An eel eats the fish. In time, the eel dies. Bacteria break down its body. The food chain continues. Glossary. Index to learn more.